Lesson Plan 10 is the care plan. And I have to tell you that I could almost tell you don't read anything that's in this book. It is so outdated, it's almost criminal. And that's an advantage you're going to have for most people who are going through regular CNA classes in the state of Missouri. Your information is going to be updated. The care plan is vital. It is what drives everything you as a CNA do to meet the needs of the resident. I talk to staff around the state, and even now in other states, and I get the same thing over and over again. CNAs don't know what the care plan is, they've never read one, they don't understand what it says, they're not involved in the process, which I am doing everything I can to change that. You need to be involved. You're going to know what's going to work on a resident before anybody else does. You're going to know what is a problem that needs an intervention before anybody else does. And yet, in the traditional facility, you're the last person that anybody will ask. It makes no sense. It's an archaic way or an ancient way of taking care of people, and it's got to change. The care plan is the driving force, again, behind everything you do. And so we will describe care plans. We will talk about how they're developed. Remember I said when we talked about the MDS and that assessment actually helps us decide what needs are necessary to be care planned. What things can the resident not do on their own or need assistance with. We'll also talk about goals on the care plan. What are our goals? Many times we don't ask the resident about their goals. The resident's goal may be, I want to go home. But the family's goal is, I just want mom to be able to do a little bit for herself, and I'm not planning on taking her home. And so we get caught in a situation where we have families wanting one thing, residents wanting another. We'll also talk about ways in which you can assist the care plan process and be involved, and then your full responsibilities to the resident through the care plan. Having said that, we'll get started on this lesson.